Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys lock screen shortcut setting. And today video title guys how to add and show tags on lock screen. Friends, you want to show any tags, you want to write tags for your lock screen, then how to use one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your mobile. Friends, in your mobile, open your phone lock screen and wallpaper setting. You can set wallpaper, you can set theme, and you can use UI color setting. Friends, click here lock screen setting. After guys lock screen, click here lock screen style setting. Friends, you want to change your lock screen style, select your lock screen style and you can change. So friends, we will scroll down and we will click here add tags on lock screen option, and you want to add tags on lock screen, so you can add. So friends, I will add my mobile name. So friends, I will add iqoo my phone. And friends, you want to add any emojis, so you can add from here. Example friends, I will add this heart emojis and OK option. So friends, you can check on your lock screen, tags will show my iqoo my phone. So like that friends, you want to add tags on lock screen, you want to write tags on lock screen, you can write and you can show in your phone. And you want to change guys your lock screen tags, so you can change. Again open your phone lock screen setting, click here lock screen setting, add tags on lock screen. Friends, you can remove and you want to change, so you can change. So friends, I will add here good morning. OK option off your screen, and friends, you can check tags will change good morning. So like that friends, we can use lock screen shortcut setting. Bye friends.